Hello, my name is Domenico Spatola-Knoll. I'm also known as Mr. DSK, and I'm the principal at Madison Elementary School in Olympia, Washington. I'm here today to share with you a little video vignette of a day in the life here at Madison. I hope you enjoy it. Madison Elementary is your neighborhood school. It's located close to downtown Olympia and therefore easily accessible to families via safe walking routes and bus services. Students in pre-K through 5th receive instruction in all core areas, as well as in art, PE and general music. Our programming sets the foundation for all future learning and provides students with opportunities to explore their interests and to reach their full potential as learners. Madison Elementary School has a dedicated and professional staff who choose to work here and are 100% committed to the academic success and the social-emotional well-being of your child. Madison has a proud history of providing back-to-school supplies to all students at no cost to families. We also work to ensure that no child is excluded from the opportunity to participate in enrichment programs or experiences such as the annual Science Expo or junior programs. A smaller than average size student population for an Olympia school ensures that your child is known by name by every staff member and that your child has positive interactions with the staff each day of the school year. With all the options available to families within the Olympia School District, we, the Madison staff, hope you make Madison your school of choice for your child, whether they are just this year beginning their educational journey in preschool or kindergarten, or are transferring in from another school at a higher grade level. We're sure you and your child will like it here.
I like Madison because it's a small school where I feel that my daughter can be seen. All the educators know her, even if she hasn't been in their class. It's just a really great, welcoming environment where I feel that my child can thrive.
Madison is a really special place. Every year I have parents tell me that their child has been somewhere else and struggling, and they come to Madison and their child is thriving. So Madison is a place where every kid can thrive.
My son's gonna be a Madison student soon, and my daughter's already here. My niece and nephew's here. Yeah, it's the place to be. Thank you.